Welcome in the second part of SQL. In previous lectures, we finish data retrieval and we apply on different criteria of select command. In today's lecture, we start the second part of SQL, which is data manipulation language, and we learn how to insert new records, using a license names, how to update specified records, and how to delete specified records. Let us open SQL editor and then select font size, font Lucida 24, okay. Connect HR connected. We continue with our previous database, in pool 11. To ensure from the database, select NO, comma, name from in pool 11. This is our previous database. We start by insert command. We apply before in previous lecture on insert into command, but we repeat this command to distinguish between insert into and insert into using a license name. Insert into in pool 11, insert into in pool 11. Between two parentheses, we put the field names and name, address, and then job, and then salary, and then commission, last commission, SSION, and then the command values to give the values, and then the first value 2018 90345. The first name Safaria Abdalla, my daughter, comma, job, engineer, address, Sudan, salary 5,000, commission 1,000. I think that there is quotation here. No need for quotation for numerical data, and quotation here. Insert into in pool 11, number, name, address, job, salary, commission, values, Safari Abdullah, engineer, Sudan, semicolon, one row created. The second case of command is insert into using a license name. The difference between insert into and insert into using a license name, in the case of a license name, we insert the data after run command during the execution time. Okay, we repeat the same. until values. Here, between two parentheses, we will not insert the data directly. As I said, after we run the command, after enter, and then we insert the data. Uh, we must to put the and sign before the ID, before the field name. The first field is number. Between two single quotation, put the and sign and the second field name, which is name, and so on for remaining fields. Quotation and address, close the quotation, comma quotation, job and job and job, comma, salary, salary and salary without quotation, and salary, comma, and commission. Now we have finished the fields, semicolon, enter. This is, I mean, by runtime. Now we will insert the values at this point. 2015 00 31, enter, name, Fatima, Fatima, Rashid, address, Biuremi, Biuremi, job doctor, salary 4,000, commission 400, control create. This command, it is very effective when you have a big amount of data. And when the user, most the users or some of the users are not professional uh, in the database or in the codes, you will just let the user insert the data. Okay? And also you can repeat the same command for insert another data. As I said, you can let the user insert hundreds of or thousands of records. 2016 00799 Ahmed, 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 address, Sahar, uh, job, manager, salary 3,000, commission 300. And you can continue to insert many records. We will move to the second command is update. For example, you want to change the address or the job of the employee to another. Here, we must to do that according to the ID of the employee. For example, let us select, let us display three fields: ID, not ID, NO, select NO, name, job from Impol 11. These are the three columns: name, number, name, job. For example, I want to change the job of uh, Ahmed Khalid from engineer to doctor. Update, update, table name in pool 11, set. Here we put the name of the columns that I want to change the information. Set job equal, between two single quotation put the new job, doctor, plus the quotation. Here put the condition where NO, this is the ID, where NO, put the raw ID. The raw ID of Ahmed is 2016 00122. Enter, one row updated. If we return back to our command, here we see here the job of Ahmed Khalid has been changed from or updated from engineer to doctor. For example, I want to change also another implementation. Instead of job, let us to update the address. Address. Wow. Let us display only two lines, two columns. Select number and address. Here are the number and addresses. For example, I want to change the last address from Biremi to Muscat. Update. We can return back to the update command. Yes, update import set instead of job address. Here we put the new address. We said that the last address is Biremi, change to Muscat. MASQUT, Muscat, where the last ID is 2015 003 001111. One row updated. If we return to select, we see here the last job, the last address has been changed from Biremi to Muscat. This is the second command of today's lecture. The last command is delete. Delete also will be done according to the ID. For example, I want to delete the last record. Delete from table name in pool 11 where W H A R A where NO, here we put the row ID that I want, or the number of the row that I want to delete. The last row, 2015, 00111, semicolon. One row deleted. If we return to select, we will not see the last row. For example, I want to delete more than one row in one command. For example, the first one and the fourth one, which is Saham, and the last one, which is before the last one, which is engineer. Okay, before the last one. We repeat the same command, delete. Here, in the case of condition, we change the condition and use in command. In between two parentheses, I put the number of the rows that I want to delete. I said that I want to delete the first one, 2016 00121, comma, the middle one, 2016 00124. The last, before the last one, 280 90 345. Close and end and two rows deleted. Why two rows deleted? Maybe there is a problem in the, we see before the last field, maybe there is a problem in the ID. 28. Select. We will try again by the 2016.
الاي دي الثاني دكتور.
The second ID.
الاي دي الثاني ل 2016 0 4 1 4 المفروض 1 2 4 تنقص رقم.
Yes. The second ID صحم.
ايوه.
Here is a yes 1 2 4. Very good, Khalid. Very good. Okay. This is now we have finished our 3 commands, our 3 implementations, how to insert new records, and we apply on insert into and insert into using a license names, how to update specified records. We update the address and the job, and we delete, first we delete one row, and second we delete 2 rows. We intend to delete 3 rows, but I make a mistake. We delete only 2 rows. I can see if you have any questions, I can answer you. Is there any question? Okay, we can stop recording and return back to you.